friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about oranges. Orange refers to a citrus tree and the fruit on this tree. The Spanish name for orange is naranja. Oranges are a kind of berry because they have many seeds, are fleshy, soft, and derived from a single ovary. All citrus trees are of the same genus and are interbreedable. This means there is only one superspecies, which means lemons, limes, and oranges. The orange is a hybrid fruit originating in ancient times in Southeast Asia. Compared to the oranges nowadays, the original fruit was bitter and referred to as a sour orange. The first sweet orange was grown in Spain and has become the most popular variety worldwide. Oranges were first mentioned in history more than 4,000 years ago and were once considered a luxury among Italian nobles. Oranges arrived in the Americas in 1493 when Columbus brought a variety of citrus fruits over on one of his voyages. As a result of the California gold rush, there was an increased demand for oranges. When 200,000 miners and their families traveled west, they were in need of fresh fruit, particularly those high in vitamin C. In fact, the effects of their vitamin-deficient diet caused scurvy. A doctor named Lewis Gunn made a small fortune treating miners for scurvy. His son later became one of San Diego's leading citrus growers. Today, the United States is the third leading citrus-producing country in the world and the second leading producer of oranges behind Brazil. A half cup of orange sections, or about the size of one small orange, provides a great source of vitamin C, fiber, B vitamins, thiamine, and folate. Oranges are a champion of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. It also helps your body absorb more iron found in food. Oranges grow on an evergreen tree, which thrives in warm, subtropic to semi-tropic climates. Orange trees produce leaves, flowers, and fruit all at the same time, making them very fragrant in full bloom. Orange trees usually flower in the spring. It can take between 8 and 18 months for the fruit to grow and ripen. Anyone else getting hungry for oranges? Check out the link below for this Orange Delight milkshake from foodhero.org. What's your favorite orange recipe? Remember, fresh, frozen, canned, dried, and 100% orange juice all count towards your daily intake of fruit. Who wouldn't be a fan of oranges? They're delicious all year round. Remember, the Spanish name for orange is naranja. Thank you for joining us on this spotlight of oranges as our Harvest of the Month. How will you enjoy oranges this month? See if you can find oranges in the school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!